How to hide navigation bar on Android. First of all, what you need to do is open up settings. Go ahead and swipe down on your screen and tap on settings on the top right hand corner. After you do that, swipe a bit down and tap on display. Once you go to display, scroll all the way down until you find navigation bar. Once you find it, just go ahead and tap on it once, and you can see there are two types of navigation bars. The first one is buttons, which you're currently using, and the next one is the swipe gestures. Just go ahead and tap on this once, wait for a while, and as you can see, the navigation bar has been hidden. But if you want to revert it back to the button settings, just go ahead and tap on it once, and as you can see, the navigation bar has been shown again. So this is how easy it is to enable or disable the navigation bar on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.